Hey guys, so what we're going to do today is, we're still focusing on the Dodgers special seating area for vaccinated people current event. But the essential question, we're going to focus just on how this could positively affect people. Tomorrow we'll look at the negative. The reason why we're going to look at how this could positively affect people is number one, to give you a balanced perspective. And number two, today you're going to be focusing on the perspective from the left. The left generally views these vaccination passports or like special seating areas and stuff like that for vaccinated people in a more positive light. And so what we go over today for your additional information or notes will align a little more closely to what you read from the left. All right, that current event report that you're working on this week will be due Monday, May 10th. Conferences are also Monday, May 10th. So if you have any questions regarding your grade before Monday, feel free to call or text that Google Voice phone number, email me, or we could always set up like a virtual face-to-face through Google Meets if you're more comfortable with that. And you guys have 26 more days left until the end of the term when your grades are final. So the whole point of this additional information piece that we're going to go over for like the next 2 minutes is to identify groups of people that would benefit from this, or how this special seating area for vaccinated people could benefit people as a whole. So there should be 3 things that you guys are writing down, and the best place to write them down would be right here at the bottom of your background box, just the additional information section. Okay, so your current event report looks like this, except a little bit more complete, right? Because you already did some work on it. You're just going to type this additional information right here. Okay. So this is Dodgers Stadium. It can hold 56,000 fans, and in 2019, the average cost of a ticket was $58. You don't have to do the math to figure out if this stadium was packed full for one baseball game, they would make a lot of money. In class, we just kind of brainstormed a list of people who worked at the stadium that would benefit from this revenue. So that could be one group of people that would benefit from this special seating area. If more people are in the stadium, there's more revenue, which would help the people working at that stadium. All right, here's another way. It could allow some resemblance of a pre-COVID life. Like here's what Dodger Stadium looked like before COVID-19, where people were sitting very closely to one another, no masks or anything like that. For fans that have been vaccinated, they don't have to social distance. They'll still have to wear a mask unless they're eating something or drinking something, but it would look a little closer to what pre-COVID life was like. All right, here's a third way that it could help people or groups of people. Sports can be a distraction during difficult times, and there's a bunch of different examples throughout history where in the United States we were going through some really, really tough times, but there was a particular game or event in sports that distracted everybody from those difficult times and kind of brought them together. And this article kind of goes over some of those examples in case you are curious. All right, so remember in your current event report, in that additional information section, go ahead and just write down 3 different groups of people or 3 different ways that this special seating for fully vaccinated fans could be beneficial. And then the rest of the time is yours to work on the perspective from the left. Make sure you read or listen to those different articles. Remember, they are linked right here in your current event report under research articles from the left. And you're going to take at least 3 bullet points or more worth of notes. And those bullet points should really focus on positives of having those vaccination passports or like special seating areas and privileges for those who've been vaccinated, and then negatives of those vaccination passports. So when you hover over the link, it'll give you the articles. I do have the articles read aloud for you guys, just in case you're struggling with what to write down for notes, or if you'd rather have the article read aloud to you. If you guys have any questions on the articles from the left, feel free to ask. We'll see you later.